Alright guys, here's a quick video we're throwing together of the evolution of PSI racing from when we started with the 3TC back in 1997 in our AE86 that we built full chassis back then and transitioned over to the 3S GTE. And then we'll switch over to the Starlet that we raced for many years, and now we'll be going back to our original AE86 platform. You'll see a bunch of different clips here of the car, the chassis when it was 3TC, 3TC when we raced it, some old pictures here back in Orlando when we drag raced the car, 3TC powered as well, and then transition over to the 3S. Enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and just give you a breakdown here of how we all started with this and how we transitioned over the last 20 years. All right, enjoy it. we go. The cutting has begun. Project PSI Racing 2.0 underway. Car looks good. 4AG. Big port. That's going to be coming out of there. And got some performance wheels on it. It's going to be way different come a year from now. First stages of cutting. Man, this thing has some thick steel. Look at this. How many layers in there on that factory subframe? Other side of the floor next. Using these Milwaukee carbide tip blades called the Axe. Pretty cool. A nice little update here. Talk about victory, God. Leaving that in there to support these two frame rails so it doesn't collapse it. But I got some more metal to cut out of there, but most of it's out. Looks good. All right, guys, stay tuned. We got this cool little project coming up next. Not talking about it much. You'll see it in the full video coming up. I'm gonna have a video about the build, and then following that we'll have a full video of the fire up. I'm waiting on the Elite ECU, the Haltech Elite 1000 it's gonna have, and get it all wired in and tighten up some things, injectors, you know, a couple things here and there. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, tell your friends. It's gonna be fun. Bye.